Ever wonder how to unlock peak performance on a keto diet? Hey everyone, today I'm revealing how creatine has transformed my carnivore keto lifestyle, boosting my workouts, sharpening my brain, and fueling my days. As a strength trainer hitting 175 grams of protein daily, I've discovered the power of combining 10 grams of creatine with electrolytes. Let me show you my simple routine. 10 grams creatine powder mixed with water, 8 servings of pink Himalayan salt, and a splash of lemon for a daily electrolyte powerhouse. This blend replenishes sodium, potassium, magnesium, and calcium, essential for muscle function, hydration, and mental clarity. Creatine isn't just about gains, it's about mental focus, memory, and even skin health. Let's explore how this daily ritual fuels my keto journey and why it's become non-negotiable for my energy and performance. Let's start with breakfast. My keto fueling ritual begins with a plate of bacon, eggs, and avocado. No carbs, just clean protein and healthy fats to power my day. But here's the secret, my electrolyte boosting drink. I mix 10 grams of creatine with water, 8 servings of pink Himalayan salt, and a splash of lemon. This combo replenishes critical electrolytes, sodium, potassium, magnesium, and calcium, which are vital for muscle function and hydration. Creatine doesn't just boost physical performance, it sharpens mental focus and memory, giving me that cognitive edge for workouts and daily tasks. Now let's move on to lunch. Today's choice, crispy chicken wings with the skin on, paired with sautéed spinach and olive oil. Chicken wings are keto perfect, low carb, high fat, and rich in protein. The skin delivers essential fats that align with keto's high fat needs, while the meat provides protein. Hard-boiled eggs are my go-to snack. They're complete proteins with all 9 essential amino acids, supporting muscle repair and brain health. I prep them in advance for quick additions to meals or snacks. And don't forget the electrolyte drink. It's my constant companion throughout the day. For dinner, I enjoy a juicy ribeye steak, seared to perfection, with steamed broccoli on the side. The marbling in the ribeye, those fat streaks, makes it ideal for keto, delivering the high-fat content I need. Cooking it in grass-fed butter enhances flavor and nutrition, as it's richer in omega-3s. This meal keeps me full, focused, and ready for workouts while hitting my protein and fat targets. And yes, I still have that electrolyte creatine drink to maintain energy and mental sharpness throughout the evening. Thanks for watching. If you're on a keto or carnivore journey, share your favorite meals in the comments and hit that subscribe button for more tips. Remember, consistency is key, and small daily habits like this creatine ritual can make all the difference. Stay fueled, stay focused, and let me know your thoughts below.